Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to create shoutouts Instagram stories. For that you need to go to Instagram and click on your stories, and here we need to take a picture. I was taking this picture, and here we need to click on here we need to click on avatar. Here we have different types of stickers. So now I was taking add yours. uh, how was your day? And now we need to take another shout out. We need to click on here emoji, and here we need to click on avatar, and here this is the symbol of countdown. Click on that. Countdown name is birthday. I was sitting on 21st December. Done. All day. Done. Done. And again you need to click on emoji. Here you need to click on photo. I was using another photo like this. As you can create shoutouts in Instagram stories. Thank you.